BYD took a quantum leap in auto innovation by teaming up with DJI to introduce the world's first car-residing drone station. The new tech shines with the Fangchengbao 8 off-road vehicle, priced at a minimum of 395,800 yuan, 54,330 U starting price. Additional BYD models will continue to employ the system in the future, altering the way vehicles coexist with drone technology. BYD had already made applications for sales permits for various models which were equipped with a drone docking station on top earlier. The models include Yangwang U8, Fangchengbao Bao 5, Bao 8, Titanium 3, Tai 3, Denza N9, BYD Tang L, and BYD Celian 07 DMI. Although the exact nature and working of their drone system were unknown at the time, their official launch now has provided more insights into their functioning and nature. The central component of this drone system is a tiny hangar mounted on the roof of the vehicle. The 0.29 square meter area, 215 millimeters height hangar is a square-shaped structure with a smooth edge. It comprises 2 doors and 3 sensors that assist in precise positioning. These modules enable dynamic takeoff and landing operation even while the vehicle is in motion at a speed limit of 25 kilometers per hour. The drone is also capable of automatically following the vehicle at a maximum speed of 54 kilometers per hour. And this will make it more useful for many applications, including adventure photography and surveillance. Among all the features of this drone vehicle, the most incredible of them is certainly its autonomous charging module of its battery. The drone is able to return to the hangar within a 2 kilometers radius to recharge from 20% to 80% battery in only 30 minutes. This guarantees that users can deploy the drone continuously for extended periods without any need for recharging manually. The vertical field of view from the drone allows it to follow the movement of the vehicle in an efficient manner, providing a new angle to record journeys. In addition to its main flight capabilities, the drone system incorporates AI software in addition to music and image editors. These allow the users to create visually beautiful content directly from their car, further enhancing the overall driving experience as more interactive. The system is controlled through the Lingyuan app, whose interface is easy to use in controlling the drone's operations. The primary goal of this technology, according to BYD officials, is to create a more pleasant driving experience with a more dynamic and interactive nature. The BYD and DJI drone station is not a single model, but can be utilized for any BYD brand at a price of 16,000 yuan, 2,200 USD. The very first model in which this tech was deployed is the FCB Bao 8, which is an off-road crossover for sale at 395,800, 423,800 yuan, 430, 58,175 USD. The car is hardy with measurements of 190 millimeters, length 1994 millimeters, width, and 1875 millimeters, height, as well as an elevated wheelbase of 920 millimeters. With its tallest ground clearance measuring 310 millimeters, the FCB Bao 8 stands ready for going off-roading. The Bao 8 comes with a DMO plug-in hybrid powertrain generating a whopping 737 horsepower and clearly positioning it as a high-performance off-road model. Another unusual model to add the drone system is the Yangwang U8, an ultra-luxury off-road SUV with a price of 1,096,000 yuan, 105K USD. It has a total length of 519 millimeters, width of 20 and 50 millimeters, and height of 1930 millimeters with an additional wheelbase length of 3,050 millimeters. It has a hydraulic suspension system and thus off-road improving ground clearance of 285 millimeters. Under the hood, the Yangwang U8 is powered by 4 electric motors which collectively churn out a staggering 1,180 horsepower and a top torque of 1,280 Nm, placing it firmly in the high-performance electric SUV category. The introduction of vehicle-mounted drone technology is a going out on a limb effort from BYD, one that pushes the boundaries of what is possible in the automotive industry. With the integration of air capabilities into automobiles, this technology opens up new possibilities for thrill seekers, creators, and tech-enlightened motorists. Effortless dispatch, monitoring, and recharging of a drone on the move sets a new benchmark in smart car technology. This partnership between BYD and DJI mirrors the growing convergence of car and drone companies. With more and more BYD models equipped with this cutting-edge technology, users will experience a level of convenience, usability, and enjoyment like never before. For taking amazing scenery, surveillance, or high-definition visual content, this drone station offers an easy and handy solution. With the launch of this drone system on various BYD models, the future of automotive technology is evolving at a very rapid pace. Vehicles are no longer just modes of transport, they are becoming smart hubs that integrate seamlessly with other intelligent technologies. The Fangcheng Baobao 8 and Yanwang U8 are the pioneers in this revolution, paving the way for a new era of car and drone integration. BYD's vision for vehicle drones integration is part of the broader trend of smart mobility, in which technology enhances every aspect of the driving experience. Not only does this innovation demonstrate BYD's ingenuity, but it also indicates the company's commitment to staying ahead of the changing automotive landscape. With even more innovation on the horizon, this groundbreaking vehicle-mounted drone system is just the beginning of a revolutionary transportation era. Outside its practical applications, the drone technology also presents vehicle security with some new possibilities. The drone itself can be programmed to roam its surroundings and provide real-time video feed available through the web. This capacity can significantly enhance vehicle security for people who have to park cars in unfamiliar areas or unsafe grounds. In addition, the capacity to capture bird's-eye view high-definition movies adds it an incredibly valuable commodity for professional motion picture directors, news reporters, and wildlife photography hobbyists. The addition of AI-driven software enhances the experience for users. Features based on AI can automate tracking, collision prevention, and even predictive flight routes based on user behavior. Such advancements bring a futuristic flavor to this technology, turning it into something far greater than an accessory for a drone. Future generations of cars that come with this system might also include even more advanced drone features, such as longer flight times, better battery life, and more sophisticated AI-based automation. As innovative as BYD is, one can assume that this drone system will keep advancing, incorporating even more advanced features to suit many different consumer needs. As this technology accelerates, more automobile manufacturers will surely follow in its footsteps and bring about a revolution in industry-wide vehicle and drone integration. BYD's collaboration with DJI places it at the top of this move, demonstrating that it is bent on technological excellence in both motor and aerial spaces. The amalgamation of aerial technology and intelligent mobility is one that is completely harmonious and heralds the beginning of a fascinating new period in car creation. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe for more updates. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.